Hey guys, it's Sunny, the Disney Mama, and today we're going into cruise mode. Guys, there is currently a Chihuahua in my lap. Say hello, Lulu. Which makes it the perfect time to talk about my favorite excursion in Mexico, which is Passion Island in Cozumel. I would like to tell you everything, but I think our footage will speak for itself. Check it out. We were off the boat very early that morning. My middle daughter is not a morning person at all and refused to eat on the ship, so we had to go find her breakfast at a convenience store in Cozumel. She really wanted to eat that chocolate egg for breakfast. We told her no. Once she was fed, everyone was happy, and it was time to head to Passion Island. We chose to go by catamaran. You can go by twister boat or catamaran, but I'm not very adventurous, and since we had children with us, we decided to take the slower option, which was the catamaran. When you arrive at Passion Island, your guide gives you a quick tour of the island, and then they let you loose. So we immediately went and found a table with lounge chairs and set up shop, and then it was time to go grab some food. They basically serve fajitas with french fries on the side for kids, chips, salsa, and the best guacamole I have ever had in my life. Belle, what are you drinking?
Mickey Mouse. It's cherry Coke.
Parents, there is childcare on Passion Island. These ladies were so sweet and wonderful with our girls. We actually went and got massages and just kind of spent an hour exploring the island and spending some time alone. And the kids had a blast. We grabbed the girls from the childcare area and they were ready to hit the water and play games. And yes, we spent a lot of time at the bar. No worries, guys. This place is so family friendly. They were serving us up cherry Coke and fruit punch the whole entire afternoon. Makes me think of Lulu. Sadly, it was time to go. I always hate leaving Passion Island. And look, Zoe's passed out from all of her drinking.
Good, dancing. Gracias. Bye-bye, señor. Take care. Adiós, amigo. Adiós, bye.
So my little buddy and I hope that you enjoyed the footage from our vacation. Did you like Passion Island? What was your favorite part?
Going swimming and I like the drinks.
The drinks. I liked the drinks too. All right. Well, if you'd like more from our channel, don't forget to like, comment, and of course, I would love it if you would subscribe and join us in this journey.
Adventure waits.
That's right.